First question, that P probability x equals k equals to b k p to k minus 1 and k from 1 to infinite, and p is between 0 and 1. First question, find b so that probability x equals k represents a probability mass function. So we suppose y equals the sum of all the probability k x minus k is this. X equals k. So it should be b p to 0 at 2 b p1 b p to 1 at 3 b p to 2 and add blah 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 blah. So we multiply y with a p, is then py equals to b p to 1 plus b 2b p to 2 plus 3 b p to 3 plus blah 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 blah. Then y minus py equals to b, the sum of p0 to p k minus 1, k equals to infinite. So it's equals to b 1 divided by 1 minus p should, and so y equals to b 1 divided by 1 minus p to 2, and this should equals to 1, so that b equals to 1 minus p and to 2. So second question is find the expectation of the x. So ex equals to the sum of x multiply px equals k, and the sum k equals 1 to infinite. So it's equals to 1 multiply 1 bp to 0 plus 2 multiply 2 bp to 1 plus 3 multiply 3 bp to 2 and plus blah blah blah. Then still we multiply y with suppose y equals to this, then we multiply y with the p, so it become to 1 equal bp to 1 plus 2 square bp to 2 plus 3 square bp to 3 plus blah 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 blah. 1 y minus py equals to 1 square bp 0 plus 2 square minus 1 square bp 1 plus 3 square minus 2 square bp 2 plus blah blah blah, and this equals to 1 bp to 0 plus 3 bp to 1 plus 5 bp to 2 plus blah 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 blah. Then we still multiply this with a p, so it's p 1 minus p y equals to 1 bp to 1 plus 3 bp to 2 plus 5 bp to 3 plus blah 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 blah. Then we 1 minus py minus p1 minus py equals to 1 minus p squared y equals to 1 bp0 plus 2 bp21 plus 2 bp22 plus blah blah blah. This equals to 1 minus p squared. So Ex equals to 1 minus p squared divided by 1 minus p, then square is equals to 1 plus p divided by 1 minus p. The third question is to calculate the expectation of x squared. X squared. So still we suppose y equals to expectation of x squared, then it equals to the sum of x squared multiplied px equals to k from 1 to infinite. It's 1 to 3 bp to 0 plus 2 to 3 bp to 1 plus 3 to 3 bp to 2 plus blah 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 blah. Then py equals to this. Plus blah blah blah. Then we minus them. It becomes to plus blah blah blah. Then it equals to 3 2 plus blah blah and plus 3 bp to 1 plus 2 bp to 2 plus blah 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 and plus bp to 0 bp to 1 plus bp to 2 plus blah blah blah. So we divide it to three sequence, and then it becomes to 6p divided by 1 minus p plus p multiply 1 minus p. Then we divide it by 1 minus p, then the y equals to 6p 1 minus p squared plus p. So the first question is find expectation of x squared minus the square of expectation x. So we just minus them. It becomes 6p 1 minus p squared plus p minus 1 plus p 1 minus p squared. Then final question is that p equals to 1/3 find condition probability mass function of p x equals k in condition x between 2 to 5. So First, we find out the probability of Px from 2 to 5 is equals to this: Px equals 2 plus Px equals to 3 plus Px equals to 4 plus Px equals to 5. And when k doesn't equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, then the probability is 0. If k equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will become Px equals to k